Lashes, Emma for Global Colors here, and I thought I would try shooting a video a little bit differently. So I'm actually shooting here today inside my makeup studio. So for those of you that don't know, I'm actually a working makeup artist in industry, and I also do body painting and face painting. So whenever I am road testing a product for Global, I'm actually using it in my kit. So I'm testing it out on set, I'm using it on clients. So I'm really trying to make sure that that product works the best it can for you guys. Finding any gaps that we might be able to improve and making sure that that product is practical for both working artists and also people that are just starting out. So one of the reasons I decided to shoot in studio today is because I wanted to talk about two new products that Global have coming out, the brush and kit sterilizer and also the pure isopropyl alcohol. And I wanted to do it in the studio because I have been using these products non-stop. They are so practical. I love that they've got two different, like you can have, there's like a spray. I'll just show you. So firstly, we've got the brush and kit sterilizer. So it comes in two sizes. You've got 250ml, which I love to keep in the studio. It's something that will just sit on my makeup desks, so I can sterilize everything when I finish work. And then there's also a 60ml, and this is perfect to take on set. So it fits in your little on-set bag, or if you're not working on set, it's really convenient to have in your kit. And I think it's really important because you don't always want to carry, there's so much we have to take out with us whenever we go to work. The more compact that we can make something, the better. Although it does contain isopropyl alcohol, which obviously will help kill germs, and it's great to have it in there because it will also evaporate really quickly, which means that if you are spraying it on your brushes or your palettes, it's not going to make them wet. It also contains a product called chlorhexidine. Now, chlorhexidine is what makes it antiviral. Chlorhexidine is a product that they use for surgery. So like quite often when you see them like scrubbing up their hands, that soap has chlorhexidine in it, so it's antiviral, or they'll use it after surgery as well. So it's definitely got a medical element to it, which is so important at the moment. Like I feel like it should have always been important, but in the current like environment, it's just that extra bit of reassurance for you and for your clients. I have been using it for everything. Like I've been spraying down surfaces, I've been spraying down the chairs in the studio, which is why I'm glad there is a bigger size. But this is, I think, a really great gap filler in the market. There aren't a lot of cosmetic brush cleaners that I have seen that are antiviral and antibacterial. Read the labels when you're checking them, because just because it does one doesn't mean it does the other, but these guys do both. And as I said, this is not a brush cleaner. So although it will get a little bit of gunk out of your brushes, I still would recommend like washing them with like a sunlight soap or with or a detergent to get all the gunk out. And then I would spray this over the top of them. So then you're killing any germs. As I said, great to spray over the top of your face paint palettes or your eyeshadow palettes, just to keep them safe and sanitized as well. The next product that I want to show you is everyone's favorite isopropyl alcohol. So I find it really important to have pure isopropyl alcohol in my kit. I just like to know that it's like 100%. I know that you can get brush cleaner that's got like lavender water or like nice smells in it, but I know for me, like I just prefer to have something that I know is going to kill all the germs and it's going to evaporate straight away so it doesn't stay wet. Obviously, you can't overuse isopropyl alcohol on your brushes. It is isopropyl alcohol, which is 100% pure alcohol, so you need to make sure that you're using it in a well-ventilated area. There's a couple of different sizes. So there's the big boy. This one is 1 liter. So this is a great refill. This is a great one just to keep either at your home studio. I keep these at the studio just to refill my little spray bottles. You can use it for cleaning. I know that you can also use it for pouring. So for those of you that are into acrylic pouring work, I know that you use the isopropyl alcohol to create cells. So this is also a good refill for that. So there's the big Mac Daddy, the 1 liter. So then we've got a 250ml spray. So there's a 60ml. So this is like your little on-set one, or one that you can, you can carry it in your purse. If you want to make sure that you've got something that you can 100% sterilize with, this is also purse size. So because people potentially might be using this product for pouring, we've also done 2 different caps as well. So you've got the 250ml refill, which is just like rather than a spritzer, it's just a straight cap. So if you want to pour out of it, just makes it a little easier, or if you're putting it like onto, I don't know, like a makeup round or something like that. And then for those of you that are using it for artwork, this one is in like a little dropper bottle. So if you are using it to create cells, you've got really great control with that little tip. So you've got your isopropyl alcohol and your brush and kit sterilizer. As I said, I have been using these non-stop. They are so practical, all the different sizes. This guy is the best. So keep an eye out for them at your nearest global retailer. And yeah, thanks for joining me here in the studio today. Let me know if you like this format of filming better. Maybe I'll continue doing it this way. Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.